Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have FabFitFun, yay! So I bought this myself because I saw a couple of items and that were included in the fall box, and I felt like I just kind of had to have them. So basically what it is a seasonal box. It comes out every fall, winter, spring, and summer, and it's $49.95 for each season. If you're new though, you can get $10 off by using the code that I put down below, so be sure to look at that. So they're not paying me to do anything. In fact, I'm paying for the box. So we're gonna see what is inside and see what I like and maybe what I don't like. Who knows? I love the box though. It's very fall. We've got the pumpkin spice lattes and we've got, you know, the fall foliage and everything. So that's very cool. It definitely gets me into the fall season. Inside we've got all sorts of stuff here. Set it right here. First thing we've got is the FabFitFun little magazine. It's got Christina Applegate on it. I've actually met her before. I interviewed her for Bad Moms 2. I think it was Bad Moms 2. No, it might have been just Bad Moms. I don't remember. I think it was Bad Moms. This basically here kind of has everything that is in there. It's got some lifestyle things, some really great tips on how much you should use as far as skincare goes. So that looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I will look through that. $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I've never used them, so this might be a good opportunity to try. $3 off one box of Luna bars from Amazon. If you wanted to get Luna bars, you can use the code 3LunaFFF. What are you doing? I'm trying to film a video. So we've got the big box of goodies in here. First thing that catches my eye, ignore my dog. He's just deciding to wander around, I guess. First thing catches my eye is a beauty blender. I always enjoy having these. This is one of the newer ones, the newer colors. So for this being a $49.95 box, a $20 item is definitely a very good start. We have Pharmacy Do It All. I've actually had this before. I got it in, I believe, a Sephora Play box. I don't remember, but I've actually really enjoy it. So I'm happy to get a full size. This is a total eye cream with Echinacea Green Envy. And like I said, I have used this before and it's actually super nice. So I am really excited about that. A Luna bar. This is in salted caramel nut. Perfect, because I'm hungry. We have an umbrella. I actually have in my car a FabFitFun umbrella that just sits in my car. I don't want to open this all the way, but I will kind of give you an idea of the pattern. Got like these little kind of swirly little flowers here. This is from Catherine Malandrino. Catherine Malandrino. And this is something I didn't expect to get in here. I didn't see this in the preview, so that's nice. Living in Oregon, Portland, it rains a lot. It's raining right now. It's been raining all day long. So nice to have this. Next up, we have a Blue in Capri shower gel. With notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. This is kind of cool. It's got a lot of sodium sulfate. I'm not sure if that is good or bad. Not 100% sure about that, just because sodium is salt and salt tends to dry things out. So I'm a little wary of this, but I will definitely give it a try and see how it does for my skin. I just don't want my skin to be dried out. Next thing we have here is Grown Alchemist, and this is the polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit, glucosamine extract. I don't know what that is. Free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfate, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine releasers, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no glycols. Very cool. Here is the bottle. And it is in one of these squeezy bottles, but this is like a metal squeezy bottle, so you can like really squeeze it down and it'll stay squeezed down. I'm really excited to try that. A couple of Glam Glow bubble sheets. These are facial masks. I really love Glam Glow. I have a lot of Glam Glow products. And so this is something that I actually haven't tried with them, but I do have bubble masks and I enjoy them. So I will be using that as well. Oh, this is cute. Simply Whimsical kitchen towels. It looks like there's 2 kitchen towels, or maybe, yeah, there's 2. It's got this really great kind of chevron-y design. They're a waffle knit, so they will absorb really well. They'll go really well in my kitchen. My kitchen is white and black, and it has gray floors. In fact, my entire house has gray floors. So this will go really, really super well with my kitchen. So I'm excited about that. Next, something I'm very excited about is a French press coffee maker. Now, I had a French press coffee maker before. I broke it and I felt bad. I've been using like a K-cup coffee maker, and I really like French press. So I'm excited to have a French press coffee maker again. This is really pretty. It says, but first coffee on it. Heck yeah, but first coffee. And so I'll be using this in the morning because I have to have my coffee in the morning. And last but not least, this is something that I was actually super excited to get. And this is the whole reason why I ordered the bag, is for this tote. It's by Vince Camuto. I have lots of Vince Camuto stuff, mostly shoes, a few dresses. And this tote is super, super cute and super nice. And it smells nice too. It smells like leather. Is this real leather? It's vegan leather, so it's not real leather. But vegan is good. It's got an inside pocket here, and I really like this stripe. And you know, another really nice thing about it, it's not like a really hard leather or a hard bottomed leather, so I can actually fold it up and put it in a suitcase, which is what I'm planning on doing because I am heading out of town again in the next couple weeks. And so this will be nice just to have as an extra bag. Hi. What do you think? Do you think you'll fit in here? Somebody's very needy today. He was a very needy boy. It's time for you to hunt down. All right. So that is something that I will be using quite a bit. I'll be using this a lot. I'm excited. So what do you think? Was it worth $49.95? Did you see anything that you really liked in this? Personally, my favorite things are definitely this bag. I really love these tea towels. These tea towels are cool. I'm going to stick them in the bag. The French press is awesome. I am loving this. So yay, that is so cool. Really almost everything with the exception of my questions about this is pretty cool. I am really excited about this. I'm going to use these masks tonight. I'm going to stick this umbrella in my car. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to use this tonight. I am really overall very, very pleased. So let me know what you think in the comments. What was your favorite item? Do you think it was worth it? Do you like these kinds of videos? Do you want me to do more of these videos? And yeah, so I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button so you know every time I upload. And we will see you again next time. Bye.